Meet the beginning of something truly special, a BMW 2002 Turbo. One of just 4 registered new in Denmark. This worn body tells a story of decades gone by, of performance once unleashed, and of the journey ahead. A ready-to-go interior. Front and rear axle supports in solid condition, soon to shine in gloss black. The road ahead is long, but the legend is in safe hands. And we of course here at Schmiedmann are with the project all the way. Follow and like for more BMW and Mini related content, classic cars and your car's parts, everything you need for BMW and Mini. Available at schmiedmann.com, the world's lowest prices with worldwide delivery.